Hello, I'm Nathan Norris. I'm the Director of Marketing and Design at the Waters, and we're videotaping for the 2008 EnergyKey Demonstration Home at the Waters, which is where we are right now. One of the first products that we've been using here is called Bluwood, and this is it right here. And Paula Coker with Edgefield Lumber, who represents Bluwood, is going to go ahead and explain some of its benefits. We're primarily concerned with two benefits, and that is, number one is it prevents mold, and number two, it is something that termites don't want to eat. So thank you very much, and listen to what Paula has to say.
Bluwood is a mold, decay, fungus, and termite resistant coating for lumber that's green spec. A sustainable product. We're very excited about that, and we're so glad that you guys have decided to incorporate that in your community out there. This is a huge step for you guys. I believe you're the first development out here in the area to do that, so we certainly appreciate it. We can coat any type of lumber product, engineered products. We do porch flooring and offer a lifetime warranty on our product, and it is transferable, so you are set to go as long as you own your house.
Tell me, what are the direct benefits of this treatment?
Well, we can look at it different ways. From your perspective as the homeowner, you're covered against any mold, decay, fungus, termites, even Formosan termites, which we know fly and get up in the rafters. That's the difference between subterranean and Formosan termites. You're covered, lifetime warranty. So for you as the homeowner, you're protected against all of those issues that are moisture related. And should you have any type of leak, anywhere in your home, your lumber's covered. And then, of course, then the protection against the termites.
Why is it blue?
The blue is actually for marketing purposes. It's a vegetable dye. And it stands out, and you're able to see it. And of course, for the framers, it makes it easier to identify the end cuts that are not blue.
What's an end cut?
An end cut is when the framer makes a cut in the material, and you mind if I step off and get a piece? I'll show you. Here we go. Let me get two here for you.
Okay.
When the framer makes a cut in the dimensional lumber, and obviously because we're a coating, we're like Gore-Tex for wood, if you will, a polymer coating for lumber. When he makes a cut, obviously there's going to be some exposed cuts in the material where the blue is not. If it is butting up against the coated material, you're absolutely fine. No reason to worry about it. So there's not a spray for every time the framers make a cut. But let's say you have a rafter tail. Well, obviously that's exposed. Take the end cut solution, which is not harmful at all.
By solution, you mean it's just a liquid that you spray on?
It's the blue coating in a bottle, comes in a spray bottle. It's not harmful, not toxic. And he just sprays it at the end of the day. The ends are coated, just the exposed, and that's the key word.
Can you tell me about the places where people have already been using Bluwood?
Oh, absolutely. New Orleans is, oh, thank you. This is the end cut solution. Not harmful. I wouldn't suggest drinking it. I've gotten a little bit. It doesn't taste very well, but just shake it up, and here it is. It's not harmful at all. But absolutely, New Orleans is probably our largest area right now. We're doing a huge project with the Make It Right Foundation. Brad Pitt sponsored, along with Global Green. Make It Right Foundation is, of course, another project. We're doing over 100 homes with them, and we just started this week.
And that's because New Orleans is in a very humid climate where mold is a large challenge.
Termites. The Formosan termites are huge down there. And they're rebuilding, and they want to do it right. They want to use these sustainable products because of indoor air quality in the home, because this is, actually indoor air quality, the indoor air is more toxic because think about it, you're in your home more than you are outside because there's no air infiltration. So it's stagnant. It's a breeding ground for mold because of your HVAC system, the moisture that comes in through there. So that's what we warn against. We improve your indoor air quality. So you are addressing wonderful areas for your children.
What's the relationship between Edgewood and Bluewood, or Edgefield and Bluewood?
Edgefield is just the name of our company, Edgefield Lumber. Bluewood, we are a licensee for Bluewood, which is the parent company is Wood Smart Solutions, based out of Boca Raton, Florida. There are about 24 Bluewood licensees across the United States and Canada, and we just happen to be, it started in 2001, we just happen to be the newest licensee on the coast. We have Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, and the Panhandle of Florida, and a portion of Tennessee. So we've got a huge area, and the Gulf Coast right now is just keeping us so busy. So that's why we're very excited to be up here in the central part of the state in Alabama.
And what is the cost over a normal system when the framer, the builder comes in and they just want to use regular stuff? What are they going to be looking at in terms of cost?
Lumber is fluctuating right now in the market. The lumber prices fall, and they're coming back. Our price on coating that lumber, which we are a coating facility, stays constant. So roughly, to give you an idea of it, $2.50 a square foot. That's for the homeowner. That helps him figure, and that's probably on the high end, $2 to $2.50 a square foot.
Additional for the coating.
Right. So if you think about it, let's say 2,000 square foot home might add $4,000, $5,500, and you're completely covered, everything, and it's transferable. So, or another way might be to figure it on the total construction cost of the home, 2%. So that's the easiest way for the homeowner to factor that in.